So before I do anything electrical with my truck, I want to disconnect my negative terminal from my battery. I'm going to need a 10mm socket to do that. And after I disconnect it, I want to make sure to tuck it away so it doesn't come back in contact with the battery. In this part of the video, I'm going to show you how to remove your driver's side seat. You're going to need the T50 Torx, and there's going to be 4 bolts. After you remove your front 2 bolts, you're going to go ahead and scoot your seat forward so you can access the 2 rear ones. In this part of the video, I'm going to show you how to remove your door sill and your kick plate. Run your fingers on the inside of your kick plate and it should come up fairly easily. Next, you're going to come under here and there's going to be a little thumb screw that I'm just going to go ahead and use my fingers to remove.
Okay.
And then you can go ahead and run your fingers and just pop this off. In this part, I'm going to show you how to remove your rear door sill. I like to push my mat out of the way. And go ahead and just pop it up. It should come up pretty easily. Just run your fingers down it. Just like that.